leafy trail. Yellow is the sun up high, warming the clouds in the sky. Green is the grass where I love to play, tickling toes all through the day. Blue is the sky and ocean wide, splashing waves and birds that glide. Purple is the wizard's hat, full of stars, imagine that. Pink is the flower, soft and sweet, with butterflies that kiss my feet. Brown is the bear who loves to nap, snoring softly in mama's lap. Black is the night with shiny eyes, owls that hoot and stars that rise. White is the snow that floats around, covering trees without a sound. Brown colors here and colors there,